Hello, welcome, I'm Ellie. Let's hang out and play with some dots. I have got, they're 4 or 5 bags of the Series 5 extra dots. And I bought these a little while ago and I have only just got around to opening them up now and to share them with you, see what we got in here. And then I noticed on the Lego shop that they're already retiring them, so they're not going to be around for long. So if you want them, grab them. These are $6 I think here in Australia as their RRP, and I got them for 5, and if you're lucky you get them for 4 somewhere. So they're a cute little impulse buy bag. I've also got lots of dots. I just love that. It's lots of dots. It's just a box with extra dots, so 1,000 plus in there. But they're all tiny. So, and this was $25. But you can use this to just go wild. Do your own inspiration, which is what I failed at that terribly. So I really, really like the fact that they have got a whole heap of ideas in here. And this is exactly what you get in here. So it shows you the beautiful ombre effect there with the yellows and the oranges. So lots of good shapes and colours, and too many options often makes me really, really scared. But we'll play with that in a moment. Let's open up these and see what sort of designs we get. What are the little printed tiles for this particular series? Okay, so we have, they're so tropical. All the colours in this are really tropical this time around. So we got glow-in-the-dark white dots. I'm going to just separate out the printed tiles from the rest and then we'll have a look at them. Glow-in-the-dark white dots. And we got pink dots, like the magenta pink dots. There's green quarter pie tiles. There's orange quarter pie tiles. There's yellow, and the pink ones, glow in the dark, and there's blue, and did I say green already? I think I've already said green. So really tropical colours. I like it. It's very summery. They're very, very summery. So these are going to be the same in all of the bags, but what is going to be different, hopefully, are these printed tiles. And I looked it up, and there are actually 16 different designs. So I have got 4 in this bag of the little leopard print, which already came on the leopard bag tag. So I already have those ones. Little yellow palm trees, 2 of them in here are high. I like that. That's really happy. Some leopard print. No, what do you call that stuff? Tiger print. And a neon flamingo. 2 neon flamingos in here. And is it neon? Yeah, a neon lightning strike. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. There are 11 in there, so you get 1 extra. That's really cool. All right, next bag. Let's see. So what did I say? 16 different designs in here. I didn't pay attention to how many I already have. Let's just have a look. Let's have a look and then find out. Hopefully I will get all of the different designs over these 5 bags. Though it's not a guarantee. So we're trying to pick these out, and I'm going to make use of these glow-in-the-dark dots. They're so much fun. I'll use them to make something before we go today. So we've got another, hold on, that was the flamingo is trying to get in with the others. Just trying to make sure that I haven't missed any here. So what have we got? What printed tiles do we have? Another neon flamingo. So cute. A hashtag. A couple of hashtags. That'll go really well with the letters from the other big dot designer set. A rainbow star, a peace sign, and another tropical palm tree. A little kawaii light bulb. I love the earth. The happy earth and the happy pencil. They all got little tiny faces, little kawaii faces. And another flamingo, neon flamingo. I'm cornering the market in neon flamingos at the moment. And, I'm missing one. So another palm tree. There we go, 2, 4, 6, 11. 2, 4, 6, 11, because that's how you count. Okay, next bag. We're doing okay here, I think. I still haven't seen, I want the rainbow ones. I always want the rainbow ones. I have a rainbow star, but let's see what else we've got. Oh, I can see an avocado. I can see some in here that I haven't already got. This one's a good bag for different ones. Maybe. Let's see. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. We've got them all now. So let's have a look. Got what else is new here? So we have got the, oh gosh. All right. So we've got another peace sign and 2 of the rainbow stars, 3 of these little +1 hearts. That's, they're cool. They're really cool. Some more little light bulbs, little kawaii light bulbs. Oh gosh. And another hashtag. Oh, and a wave. Oh, I love that wave. That's almost Japanese-esque. It's very, I like that. All right. I haven't actually seen any mention of any more extra dots for these little extra bags for next year. I wonder if they're going to keep doing them in 2022. I found that really hard to say. 2022. Gonna have to practice because we're gonna be saying it a lot soon. Okay, bag number 4. We got, not seeing anything new here. I wonder if no. Oh yes! Yay! I do. I've got the other little rainbowy thing. Oh, I love the avocado. I got one of these in the other pack. The avocado's so cute. And another wave. Oh, okay, so we've got a couple of waves in here, but the rainbow Wi-Fi sign, that's so nice. Some leopard dots. Nothing else that's new in there. They look so pretty together. They really look very happy. I love the color scheme for this series. It's really nice. Okay, one more bag, and then we'll have a look at the lots of dots box. That's really hard to say. I think I have got all of the designs by now. Yeah, I think I've got them all. That's pretty good out of 4 bags. Some more hashtags, more palm trees, another rainbow Wi-Fi, and another rainbow star. Flamingos coming out of my ears. Not literally, because that would be incredibly painful. Lots of, we got a few hashtags going down. Another wave. Yeah, pencil. And I do like those tiger stripes. I wonder what I can use them for. Because they're circles, they're kind of hard to join them together and make connecting patterns, but I'll have to have a think. Okay, so I've got all these fabulous colors. Now let's open this up. And let's just see what lots of dots look like. Actually, they don't look like that much, do they? There are more than 1,000 Lego pieces in here, and that's all it looks like. So we've got orange and coral in here, and we've got magenta and purple, or mid-lavender, and I like the orange and the red together. They look so nice. And dark purple and blue. Whoa, sand green, mint, white. And dark green. I wouldn't normally put those together. There's no mint. Oh, okay. All right. So there's different shapes of different colors in different bags. Did that make any sense? So we got the blue half circles in that one. Yeah. Okay. And turquoise in this. I love these colors together. The black, the turquoise, and the dark blue. These are yummy. Don't they just look delicious? They look like little pastels. And they're pineapple colors. Oh, I love this. And dark. And thankfully, we have got an inspiration brochure. So you can take your existing pieces and then you can change them up with these. Make it really exciting. Oh, pattern inspiration. Oh, these are gorgeous. Gosh, where would you even start? And also, I never know whether I have enough pieces to do the pattern the whole way across, whatever I'm trying to do it across. So did that make sense? But it makes me really nervous. I love the rainbow pattern. All about rainbows at the moment. Okay, so what are we going to do? Let's just do something. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, where do we even start? And an alphabet choice with those beautiful colors. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm going to take this box, which I decorated before, and undecorate it and redecorate it. But I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to match the color scheme of the box. I'm just going to, I'm just going to go wild. I would love to plan this out, but I'm not gonna. I'm just going to put on things as they take my fancy and see how this actually works. Probably not well. Let's have a go. I mean, it's often fun. It's just like adding dots to, physical, like pencil colored dots, or like doodling. I'm doodling with Lego dots, which is really fun. So, starting from dark in the middle, and I'll try and maybe ombre it out, though that mid-blue, doesn't really go with the other colours. But hey, we're going from purple to blues to teal. We're going everywhere, man. We got some mint, and I don't know whether I want to use those sand green colours. I just like all the bright colours. But sometimes it's nice to put in the muted ones too, because you don't want bright all the time. We're going all the way. It looks kind of, we're definitely parity colours. So I've got a pattern going out. Let's go out to the corners as well. Yellow on these sides, and then just, let's put in some, let's fill this out just a little bit more, because I'm not going to have enough. I don't think I'm going to have enough glow-in-the-dark dots to fill all the spaces. So let's just fill it out. And then can put these here on, I've got enough pieces to do this all the way around. This is really cathartic. I mean, it doesn't look crash hot color-wise, but you know what? It's really soothing. It's mindfulness with Lego. I love it. I do not have enough. I don't have enough. We're just going to kind of randomly put them there. Now, that looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but I like it. It's great. It's colourful. It makes me happy. And it glows in the dark. I don't know what that is. what it's even supposed to be. But it's fun. The glow in the dark stuff is such a cute gimmick. All right, so there are endless opportunities for creativity here. I can't even scratch the surface. I mean, there are too many colors. Maybe I needed to pick a smaller color palette and start with that. But I just wanted to use them all at once. So sue me, but don't. Okay, all right. Now's the time to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of what we're currently seeing with the dots. Just tell me stuff, and I'll be back with another video really soon. So I will see you then. Bye.